For years, I've dedicated myself to understanding the profound secrets of anti-aging and cellular repair, driven by a personal quest to not just defy time, but to genuinely reverse its effects on my body and appearance. Many have often expressed surprise when they learn my age, mistaking me for someone much younger, a testament to a journey that began in my early 30s. What I've discovered through extensive learning and consistent practice isn't rooted in costly serums or fortunate genetics, but in 5 non-negotiable daily habits that dive deep into our cellular and metabolic health, revealing truths that the beauty industry often keeps hidden. These practices have not only transformed my own appearance, making me feel years younger, but they also empower anyone to achieve a more vibrant and youthful self through a simple, holistic approach to beauty. The first crucial step to true cellular rejuvenation lies not just in drinking water, but in learning how your body truly absorbs it. Many of us can consume gallons of plain, filtered, or distilled water daily, yet remain dehydrated at a cellular level because this type of water often flushes out essential electrolytes that facilitate water entry into our cells. Imagine your cells as tiny, taut water balloons in youth that, with age, become leaky and lose their fullness. To counteract this and promote deep cellular hydration, an effective morning ritual involves squeezing an entire lemon into a large glass of water and adding a pinch of Celtic sea salt or a high-quality electrolyte powder. Celtic salt, rich in 82 essential minerals, acts as a key that helps water penetrate your cells, ensuring proper hydration rather than merely passing through your system. This simple habit can transform your skin from within, making it appear thick and plump rather than just bloated, and can even erase those subtle dehydration lines that are often mistaken for signs of aging. Beyond visible changes, this profound cellular hydration also fuels your brain, which is 75% water, leading to improved clarity and a sharper mind, making it a profound game changer for overall vitality. Secondly, achieving authentic anti-aging demands mastering your body's glucose spikes and actively combating glycation. Glycation is a process akin to what happens when you toast fresh bread. It becomes hard and brittle. In your body, when you consume excessive sugars or high glycemic index carbohydrates, your glucose levels surge. This excess sugar then binds to collagen and elastin, the very proteins that keep your skin supple and elastic, rendering them stiff and fragile. This cellular toasting manifests first as dryness and loss of moisture, gradually leading to issues like pigmentation, dark spots, and ultimately the formation of fine lines and deep wrinkles. To mitigate this pervasive aging accelerator, incorporate 2 vital strategies. Just 10 minutes before consuming a carb-heavy meal, drink a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water, which helps to significantly lower your blood sugar spike. Additionally, reshape your meal consumption by starting with fiber-rich vegetables, then moving to protein, and finally, consuming your carbohydrates, starches, or sugars. This strategic sequencing ensures that the fiber and protein prepare your gut, slowing down carb absorption and thereby minimizing the glucose spike and the subsequent glycation of your precious skin proteins. Embracing these anti-glycation practices not only clears inflamed skin and reduces breakouts, a common issue in my own past, but also profoundly delays the visible signs of aging. The third critical habit for cellular repair is dedicated to lymphatic trash removal. Just as homes require daily waste disposal, our bodies accumulate cellular waste and toxins. Every cell in our body discards garbage that is meant to be carried away by our lymphatic system. Unlike the heart, the lymphatic system doesn't pump on its own. It relies on movement and manual drainage to function effectively. If lymph becomes stagnant, these accumulated toxins essentially marinate within our tissues, leading to a myriad of aesthetic and health issues such as puffiness, dark circles, a muddy complexion, and an overall bloated appearance. Incorporating lymphatic drainage into your daily routine is surprisingly simple and doesn't require exotic spa treatments. During your regular morning and evening skincare regimen, dedicate 5 minutes to performing gentle lymphatic facial massage. Learning the correct techniques can visibly chisel your features and clarify your complexion, creating a more defined and youthful look. Another effective method is dry brushing for 5 minutes before showering, which stimulates lymphatic flow throughout the entire body. These practices are incredibly effective in depuffing the face and eyes, proving that many perceived age-related flaws are merely indicators of lymphatic stagnation. The fourth habit, intermittent fasting for autophagy, represents a true fountain of youth and was a pivotal discovery in my own anti-aging journey. Autophagy, a Greek term meaning self-eating, describes a natural biological process where your body systematically identifies and consumes its own old, damaged, dysfunctional, or zombie cells, including potentially cancerous and tumorous ones, to clear out cellular debris and generate new, healthy, fully functional cells. This profound internal cleansing not only revitalizes your body from within, but visibly translates to external youthfulness. The process unfolds in phases. After your body has utilized all available glucose from recent meals, typically beyond 9 hours, it enters ketosis, burning fat for energy. Beyond 12 hours, your body begins releasing growth hormones, which are powerful anti-aging hormones. The critical autophagy phase typically commences after 16 to 18 hours of fasting, though its benefits peak significantly after 24 to 36 hours. While extreme fasting isn't necessary, consistently maintaining a 16 to 18-hour fasting window, even on alternate days, can remarkably lower your biological age at a DNA level, promoting healing and regeneration that visibly reverses fine lines and wrinkles. Finally, the ultimate separator in reversing biological age is the fifth habit, mastering somatic nervous system regulation, which I call the vaginal glow. Most of us live in a state of sympathetic overdrive, constantly wired, overthinking, and operating in a perpetual fight or flight mode. This chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a devastating hormone that actively breaks down, hardens, and withers your collagen, directly accelerating skin aging, loss of elasticity, and leading to sagging or fallen facial features. High cortisol can be as corrosive as acid to your collagen and can even impact facial bone density over time. To cultivate a sense of safety and calm in your nervous system, practical strategies include splashing ice-cold water on your face 5 times each morning. This instantly triggers the mammalian dive reflex, lowering your heart rate. Incorporating mindful breathing, such as the 4-8 breath, inhaling for 4 seconds, exhaling slowly for 8 seconds, effectively acts as an off switch for stress. Beyond these immediate fixes, profound nervous system regulation often necessitates a thorough life audit. This involves honestly assessing your past choices, relationships, career paths, and financial situation to identify and resolve underlying sources of chronic stress. By cultivating genuine happiness and fulfillment in the larger tapestry of your life, small daily stressors become inconsequential. Developing a strong mind, learning to set boundaries by saying no, fearlessly yet respectfully, and practicing radical forgiveness and letting go of past burdens are all critical components in creating a serene internal environment, allowing your nervous system to feel truly safe and fostering an enduring, radiant inner glow. By consistently integrating these 5 potent habits, optimal cellular hydration with electrolytes, strict glucose management to combat glycation, diligent lymphatic drainage for detoxification, regular intermittent fasting for cellular repair through autophagy, and deep nervous system regulation, you can expect to see profound transformations. Within 6 months to a year, a tighter, younger-looking, and more radiant face will emerge, reflecting not just external improvements, but a holistic rejuvenation from within, paving the way for vibrant health and timeless beauty.